Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my Boxycharm base box to go over with you for the month of July. Now, this is a beauty subscription. It does cost $27.99 a month, and there's 5 full-size items inside, one of which you get to customize and choose. Also, I wanted to let everyone know before we get started, if you notice my eyes are a little bit different. We did a video just a little bit ago. I did 2 different looks on each eye, and then also I'm wearing the same shirt because I'm making several videos today, so I will be wearing the same shirt in quite a few videos. So apologies for that, but let's go ahead and see what I got. This is the theme of the month. We always get a little card in there, and it looks like the theme is Status 000. And on the back is just a list of products with descriptions and prices. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. This is how they packaged my box. Not too bad. I like that this time they put bubbles in there. First thing I'm pulling out is something I'm really excited about. It's the Cupid eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. I did not get this when they had it last time around, so I'm glad I got it this time. This is valued at $48 for this palette. And this is the palette called Cupid. Basically in more neutral tones. But let's get some swatches of this. I'm always really impressed with Natasha Denona's formulas. I always find them to be like really good. Really high quality. So I'm always happy to get something from her. Oh yeah, it just swatches beautifully. Okay, so I'm really happy to get that. Super excited. Let's see what else we got in here. Next up is... Okay, I'm not mad to get this. I don't normally use stuff like this, but I'm definitely wanting to give it a try. This is Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. Okay, this is said to value at $34, and it says, meet the ultimate frizz fighter. Heat activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to protect frizz resistance. Leave a super glossy silky finish without weighing hair down. Last 3 washes. Protects from heat up to 450 degrees. Cool, so it also protects from heat too. I kind of am intrigued by this. It does so many different things. So yeah, I'm excited to try that as well. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, this was my choice item. This is Olipop Stacks the Odds. And honestly, even though I chose this, I'm going to be perfectly honest, I don't know if I'm going to keep this or gift it and put it in a future giveaway. I just have so many like cream blushes as it is. I was like, oh, another cream blush. We just had that Dominique Cosmetics one last month. But let's see if I can get this open. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, this is actually larger than I thought it was going to be from photos that I had seen. It has a cream bronzer, which honestly, or a highlighter. Okay, so I was trying to lift them up and they actually just slide to the side. So I think if I continued to lift it up, I probably would have broken it. This is what the product looks like folded out. It's even got a little mirror in here. It's really cute, but it's just, like I said, it's not really up my alley. We got cream highlighter, cream blush, and cream bronzer in here. But yeah, it is super cute. This is valued at $38 for this. But I'm not going to be swatching this today because, like I said, we're probably going to be giving that away. Next item, something else I'm really excited to get and happy for. It's Kate Summerfield Goat's Milk Moisturizing Cream. I was really jealous when my friend got this last time and I didn't. But now I have it too, so that's awesome. But this is valued at $76 for this. Kate Summerfield is a little bit more expensive, but she does have really good quality skincare, at least from what I've tried of it. And lastly, I got from the Beauty Crop Ginger and Prosecco. What is this? Okay, this is a liquid eyeshadow duo. And this is valued at $18. Okay, I will actually open this. I do have a lot of cream eyeshadows as well. Seemed like we got a lot of cream stuff, but I'm okay. I want to try this out and see the quality of it because I know like some cream shadows definitely last better than others. Some have more creasing than others, so I'll definitely be trying this out. For those of you who don't know, I do reviews on this channel a few times a month, so you could check those out. They either post on Mondays or Tuesdays, sometimes Wednesdays, depending on what's going on in life. I'm having difficulty opening this. Sure do put a lot of plastic on it, but okay. Finally getting somewhere on opening. So honestly, I had a pretty significant struggle trying to open this, but I did get it open. And I'm ready to show you some swatches. So this is the first one swatched here. And then we have another similar shade, which I kind of like that they did this so that you can create a look easier with two shades, and they're kind of similar in color, so they would go together, I feel like. But there's the other one. It's like really metallic-y looking for the first one. The other one is more of like a matte looking color. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my total box value up in the corner here. That's everything I had for this in particular video. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.